Hi, I'm McKenna.
And I'm Michelle. Today we're going to show you around a house that truly lives up to its name. Meet Eclectic by Pure Locations. Let's go.
Eclectic has a rich history dating back to when construction began in 1890. After World War I, it was used to repatriate soldiers. This heritage home has been upkept to keep all the beautiful original features, as well as mark the unique style of the owner. Inspired by vintage pieces and European atmosphere, this home has surprises around every turn. This glass conservatory is probably the most notable feature about this incredible home. With its pink walls, stunning chandelier, beautiful furniture, it truly does feel like a tea room nestled away in the streets of Paris. For this reason, it's perfect for almost any production. From fashion to bridal to editorial, it's the perfect space with such unique touches, adds a little bit of European glamour.
Every corner of this home has something unique to offer. With lush and sprawling gardens, eclectic interiors bursting with character and style. This is a home that will truly transport you to a Parisian palace, a visual feast for the eyes, and an incredible space to entertain.
From photoshoots, filming to unique events, this is a home with abundant backdrops unlike any other.
Book this property to transport your next campaign. We'll see you on the next house tour.